Hi everybody, it is Samantha Moline. I wanted to hop on and show you some things I got in the mail. So I got a hoodie made for me for Adventure Awaits Boutique, and I'm so excited because I got it in the mail and she gave me a little gift. So thank you, Dana. Thank you so much. Dana Thomas is the one who created this for me, but here is the gift she gave me. It is a tank top in my favorite color. What? Right? Oh, and here is the hoodie, guys. Like, I love this hoodie. I love tie-dye. It's so me, as you can tell. But here is the hoodie for my boutique, Adventure Awaits Boutique, and this is holographic right here in the middle, the compass, which I love. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to get it, and if anybody wants one, just hit me up and she will be making the hoodies for me. But I wanted to hop on as well and show you this Farmasi makeup box that I got. So I'm gonna try to lean it up and show you guys what's in it. So there's all this stuff, guys. So as you know, I did join Farmasi again because like I love makeup. I wear it every day, like, yes. So we got this super cute makeup thing. Let's see what else we got. We got matte lipstick and matte liquid lipstick. We got, and I got this kit. The kit I have right now is $75. Like, all this for $75, guys. Like, what? So, an eye pencil, eyelashes, or mascara, some mascara, and another eyeliner. Oh, but wait, there's more. We got a matte liquid lipstick. Looks like we got 4 of these in here. And then we have a awesome palette. We're gonna have to open it to see what it looks like inside. So this is the palette Vivid. Come here, Tori. Ooh, look at these vibrant colors. This is what I needed in my life. Like, what? Super cute, guys. So this kit is $75 plus $20 to join. So it was like $110 or $120 with tax and shipping, I believe. CC cream for balance on your face, which is pretty awesome. Some time blocker spray, which is setting spray for your face. Oh, another setting spray for your face. And you get a magazine or a pamphlet for skincare, a shopping bag. You get some samples of, this is my favorite foundation, guys. VFX Pro, it is like my favorite. I was gonna put makeup on today, but I was like, we're gonna put it on tomorrow and test the new stuff that I got out, like the palettes. And then there is a magazine. So all this is for $75. And then you get the kit, which it does have samples and all kinds of stuff in, which I'm not gonna open because I've already got one of these before, so I already know what's in it.